Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Lemkra Dorbar Pulun opposes KSU wall writings. Shiab residents oppose creation of archery ground. Cleariat Catholic Church conducts vaccination drive in the parish premises. And BJP National General Secretary Arun Singh encourages BJP Meghalaya members. Now the news in detail. The Cleariat Catholic Church conducts a vaccination drive in the premises of its parish today, the 31st July 2021. Shri Ethelbert Kalmarki, the DC of East Janta Hills, was the chief promoter of the vaccination drive. The vaccination of people who turned up at the parish was performed by the staff of the CHC of Cleariat. Lemkra Dorbar Pulun today strongly opposed the KSU wall writings for implementation of ILP demands from the government. Writing on the walls and on shutters of shops demanding implementation of inner line permit in Meghalaya by Khasi Students' Union were found in some of the localities in Shillong. Speaking to the media, the headman of Lemkra Dorbar Pulun, Andrew Jirwa, said he has nothing to say about the KSU demands and to dirty the walls and shops with such writings is not the way. He told the KSU to undo what they have done. Furthermore, Jirwa said if the KSU is brave enough like Angela Rangat, they can air their grievances in front of the main secretariat.
Ngadai ba Andrew Jirwa, Rambak Song dengan Lemkra Dorbar Pulun. Thì ngày qua bên batai hàng liệt khniat bên keren nang ne ba ngimdan kanono ke jing persyai ka KSU yani kanono baseng ba yakun persyai ka ILP kata ka de jing sko ke jongki jing ko jongki se ngiru idon hila ka jong ka reservation ha ka bede ba kinu issue ba kiseng balang ki yakun handai ka sulong no ba pikwa ban le ikine le de kinu no kinja agitation policy ba fidon fi handai ban ba fin tho kum ne pat long hakasnong ga bangadon mga long hakini kasnong lam kra ga jungi gim kwa kan gini mo ikwa ban le hapo additional secretariat dari kong Angela induk ban peni ban yang persya sarkar marwai yang saya ke KSU ga klan juso kala ban le kita hapo hakini nu gicaka peni ki pai ba kin support di fi ngirungin support di fi tamalong kum gini gijat ban penjaklia ban penisi ke senong katha kum ni te athai nakaleng jongate na pandrem me kane ngam sutunat pakan jagung kane apa kasno ngai keren lang bodu osiru tela dodon kam ru ala ban phone di siru ba kinha ban ko ikini ngim ko agung kini gi penjaklia ki penisi adu ya ke senong katha jongi mo kedukan khasine kedukan kharne ya kata ngim tep mo te phile ha kedukan gi jongno ngim ya kata ngim ongi ai antai ala ong ikine makin berkot no ikine dengan kerpat di KSU ru sobha mo agitate hapo secretariat agitate jeto khmat jeto ngin man ban kersyane pi tama long kierno na kini gijing pinjaklia kum kine ke maki bapin isi ya ka slong katha mo tangkata.
The residents of Shiab locality in the heart of Shillong today strongly oppose the creation of archery ground in their locality as it will only increase the undesirable activities in their place. The residents are burdened with night patrolling around the locality to control the unwanted elements. As soon as the residents of the locality heard that the tribal chief of Hima Milim has given permission for the creation of archery deer ground at their locality, they requested that the ground should be relocated to other areas. Speaking to the media, one of the women residents said that the men, women and youth organizations of Shiab locality have requested the tribal chief to shift the archery ground to other places as it will further add to the existing social evils. She also said that the tribal chief will have to concede to their appeal to avoid conflict within the traditional setup.
Nakababurom ya I paim ba jaga dorbar hi barok away ngi nakaliang jong kasinong dalay ru nginum sya ba kandon kata kajing ya sit hanima namar ba klempat don ru bun jing sni ki badon hakan jaka dah bangi perkhat jengai bahana benta ki khon jongi ki bawan sakini ki jaka wat bam don kan ka jing sat mo ki khon ki ti jongi sani ki wan sang ki lik kai wan kai to mudur handa baladon kata ka jaka kajing ya sen ki khon ki ti jongi pitharai kin lan wat dagi bahe aru kim lan dagi barit lele Yo dadangi ai bai jing bam si phau tengka yo ki ong badon ke saka ba wan ya siat chane le si ngin na tai si phau tengka ken wan em le si la sai bagi yo si phau tengka ken yo ka pisa pra phau la ni si spa ri phau kira bang em ki khon te hadin suki chano te ki khon jongi ki baret kin lai tengi ker pat da ka basuret yai pa em bat ya ka dorbar hi baro ka wei bangi na ka liang jong ka snong ka thao jongi nginum sha dalele lada ki pa em ki lada subo lada kita ki ba dei ban wan ya siat hang ni ki le da ka bor ngiru ngim ban se ban pen i da ka bor
Awi de ber kene kliang fi ba kene kelong ka hot ni sungu thu ba kale ka cakas im Ndrei kene ka jaka ka ba hang ni hi wa ka biki ki mu ban sha ban penong ya kene ka jing set nam hi ka dan surrounding ka de babun ki sinong ko baning kong ka di kumuro nang ta kene ki siap ko jungi lang kerding plus kata kene ka lenti ka banang ni ka bi dan harut ru ki bon ba ki brew ki be ya lenti ki be yang bat habangi pek ru bat bangi puson ru kala ban lam sya ki e basniu ya kasinong jungi ya ki kun sama jong kasinong jungi nakata kadaw ngikum kinong song sinong hi da ka bomban se ni habban ya yang persya ya kani ba o ni burom kum yusim ngitip usim udan kam kerbeniu ndrai lada ka baburom yusim buun burom lem ya ki ba kinong song sinong ki badan kani boro sudong kani kajaka balada kalong bala ba unra sekiwi kajaka ba bonam penthut inu hangrai hak kani kajaka ngan keren be daga basai lalong ke jing penthut om dei tang ya kasnong ndrai ke jing penjot ka bani kong ka dei ki khun sama jong kasnong jungi.
The BJP National General Secretary Arun Singh is on a 2-day visit to Shillong from today to boost the morale of the BJP workers of Meghalaya. In his speech, he emphasized on the 7 years achievement of Modi government and also how the central government has helped the people during the first and second COVID lockdown. He urged the party workers to reach the people at the grassroots level and convince them about the achievement of the Modi government. Arun Singh also inquired about the Mandal committees and booth committees in the district and told the members to work hard so that the party can form its own government in 2023. Others who spoke on the occasion were Ajay Jamwalji, North East Zonal Secretary Organization, State President Ernest Maury and Sanbor Shulai, Cabinet Minister of Meghalaya.
See the booth and mandal programs to ensure the vaccination drive that should go on, the free ration that is announced by the Modi government, that should also be a drive should be on, and this is my opportunity. I feel proud and very happy to be here. The Karkarta, they have attended with the social distancing here and to review the organization activities also here and to boost up the party Karkarta, their work. You know, the Congress leadership is totally failed. Nobody believes now the leadership under the Rahul Gandhi. So the Congress now it has no ideology itself. They are taking U-turn. Congress is taking U-turn every time, and for the sake of they are opposing for everything. Even for the good thing that the Modi ji is doing, the Congress party is opposing. हर चीज़ को कांग्रेस अपोज ही कर रही है. And the Congress is doing all negative or destructive politics nowadays. The people of the country, they are watching. And if the leadership is not good, definitely the party cannot grow in the state. So nobody has a faith in the leadership of the Rahul Gandhi. That's why I say that in Meghalaya, the Congress will be wiped out. It is being wiped out from most of the states. Now it is a turn of the Meghalaya. From here also the Congress will be wiped out. And BJP will take a place, and most of the seats the BJP will win where the Congress is there. This is what I can only say. The state leaders and the chief minister will say something about it. BJP, I say only one thing: the BJP is one. There is only one goat, only the BJP. There is no infighting. Everyone is working along with.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.